We're living in a ball of dust.
Hey, so today I'm getting the home deep cleaning furniture package for the whole house. I live in Dubai for the past 2 years, and I know with our weather, the dust, the AC that's on the whole time, we need to clean our house in the best way possible, and that's why I think I needed Healthy Home. Every 6 months to have someone to clean everything would be safe and healthy. Thank you, Healthy Home. Because of your service, now I have a better, safe, and healthy place to live in.